Hey guys, Carlos here. Welcome to the channel where I do unboxing videos of Batman merch, NBA cards, Funko, and anything related to pop culture. If you enjoy watching that type of content, please make sure to hit the subscribe button below. For this episode, we're going to do a blaster box battle between two Panini products. So here in front of me, I have the 2023-2024 Donruss and also the Panini Prizm Monopoly. So we're just gonna try to compare or see kung anong blaster box yung magpo-produce ng better hits. In the unboxings that I've done, I've landed a single Victor Wembanyama so far. So we'll try to see kung madadagdagan siya. But of course, yung primary purpose nitong unboxing is to see nga which blaster box is parang mas worth your money. Alright? So we'll start with Donruss. So this has 90 cards with 6 packs. Alright? Actually, medyo similar naman yung ceiling ng both boxes, no? With Donruss, you have the chance of getting autographs with their signature series. So here, we'll look for the autographs in signature series, blaster exclusives. We have the holo, orange laser, purple laser, and red and blue laser parallels. Of course, yung iconic rated rookies can also be found here. So we'll start with this one. So let's start ripping the plastic. Alright. Although yung autographs, from what I've been seeing in other unboxings, parang I'm yet to see someone pull an auto from this blaster box. Pero of course, it's gonna be a welcome change kung dito mangyari yun. So let's see if we're gonna pull anything special. Alright. So we have 6 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll put this here. So this is pack 1. Of course, there's a lot of base cards, so I'm just gonna go over them quickly. Davion Mitchell, Scotty Barnes, Tobias Harris, Christian Wood, Malik Monk, Jose Alvarado, Pascal Siakam, now with the Pacers, Jalen Brunson, Bogdan Bogdanovic, Marvin Bagley, Cole Anthony, Duncan Robinson, and our first rated rookie, we have Cam Whitmore from the Rockets. Right, so a very decent rookie. And then our first polo, we have Malaki Branham. Alright, so it's green. And then franchise features, you have Mikal Bridges. Alright, second pack. Quentin Grimes, the Joker, Rudy Gobert, Kyle Lowry, Brandon Ingram, LaMelo Ball, Jalen Williams, Jaden Ivey, Kenyon Martin Jr., Max Christie, Josh Hart, Ja, and then our rated rookie, Kayson Wallace. And then yung second rather, polo natin would be Tyrese Maxey. Alright. And then great expectations, we have a rookie. Alright, it's graded Dick. On to the third pack. Spencer Dinwiddie, now with the Lakers. Derek White, Draymond Green, Bradley Beal, Ochai Agbaji, Blake Wesley, Giannis, James Wiseman, Jalen Duren, Kevin Herter, Terry Rozier, Jordan Poole, and another rated rookie, Amen Thompson. Alright, and then our holo, Darius Garland. And then another Great Expectations rookie. So let's see. Kobe Buffkin. Alright, fourth pack. So, no new Wemby yet. RJ Barrett, Trae Young, DeAndre Ayton, Kawhi, Naz Reid, Dame Time, Paolo Banchero, Steven Adams, Jalen Green, Victor Oladipo, not the Victor that we want, Anthony Davis, David Roddy, and then I think yung rated rookie is Hunter Tyson. Yep. And then we have Victor in our holo. Alright, so we have a good hit. We have a green laser of Victor Wembanyama. And then Yao Ming for Bomb Squad. Alright, so we have my second Victor in my collection. Sige, so sleeve up natin si Victor. So, 2 Victors yung lumabas, si Oladipo and si Wemby. Alright. I think yung Donruss takes a lead with that pull. Alright. 5th pack. King James, Eric Gordon, Moses Moody, Julius Randle, Jabari Smith Jr., PJ Washington Jr., Russ, Caris LeVert, Trey Jones, Osmani Dieng, Drew Holiday, DeMar DeRozan, and then Julian Phillips for our rated rookie. And then for our laser, we have Domantas Sabonis. Alright, on the green. And then franchise features Devin Booker. Alright. So last pack. Rashawn Holmes, Kenneth Lofton Jr., Bam Adebayo, Zach LaVine, Rugens Dort, Devin Booker, Bones Highland, Xavier Tillman, Nikola Vucevic, Jalen Suggs, Josh Green, Jarrett Allen, Gary Trent Jr., and then, finally, I'm able to pull Scoot Henderson. So, rated rookie of Scoot. And then for our holo laser, we have Jared Vanderbilt. Alright. From the Lakers. And then the Joker for Magicians. Okay, so I sleeve up Scoot. Actually, si Victor, pwede ko na rin ilagay sa top loader. So, I think. Alright. So, it's a good box for Donruss. So, let's see kung kayang i-match or even i-beat ng Monopoly. Alright, so I'll put this aside first for our recap later. And proceed with Monopoly. Alright, so yung ceiling ng Monopoly, meron siyang mga ultra rare inserts, but yun na nga, ultra rare talaga since it's very seldom that you see them in the unboxings that you can find online. Pero let's see. Anything can happen. So this has 6 packs also, but with only 4 cards each. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And pack 1. We have Kyle Kuzma, Osar, Lori Markkanen, and Jonathan Kuminga. Biglang natin yung mga base cards. Second pack. Alright, Caldon Johnson, Benedict Mathurin, Bradley Beal, and our first purple, I think parang nakita ko na si Grady Dick ata. Yes, Grady Dick. So, kanina rin dun sa Donruss, si Grady Dick yung unang good hit eh. So, baka it's a foreshadowing na we'll see Victor again, hopefully. Third pack. Right. We have Austin Reeves, PG-13, Scoot. Alright, so we got Scoot again. And the Miami Heat, Jimmy Butler. Alright, so parang may similar pattern. Grady Dick, Scoot, and then let's see kung may Victor nga ulit. But we're on our fourth pack. So we have 3 more packs to go to land Victor. Right? So Evan Mobley, Karl Anthony Towns, Spencer Dinwiddie, and from the Knicks, Jalen Brunson. Ayan, so all base. So fifth pack. Alright, we have Steph Curry. And then Joel Embiid, Jordan Poole, and then another purple from the Lakers. Alright, we have LeBron. I'll take it. So we have LeBron. Alright, so we're down to our last pack. So if you want to pull Wemby, so sana mag-kick in yung last pack mojo. Alright. Amen Thompson, rookie. Pascal Siakam, Russ. And our last card, is this a rookie? Trailblazers? No. Anthony Simons. Alright, so let's take a look at the recap. Sige, let's start with Donruss pulls. So we have Grady Dick, Great Expectations, and then we have a Scoot, rated rookie, and of course, our biggest hit of this unboxing, Victor Wembanyama. So, the Green Laser Parallel, rated rookie. Right. So, I think by default, this will win the battle. Pero to make it official, let's go over the good hits for Prizm Monopoly. So we have LeBron on the purple, color match. And then Scoot, base rookie card. And then on the purple again, Grady Dick. And Osar Thompson from the Pistons. Alright. So, well, since we got Wemby again, I'm pretty happy with the result of the battle, of course. But from your end, nag-try na ba kayo na mag-unbox ng Donruss and of course yung Monopoly Prizm? So, kamusta yung pulls nyo? Let me know in the comments if you've landed great hits. So there, that concludes our unboxing for this episode. Please make sure to like this video, comment your thoughts on the unboxing, and also subscribe on my channel. So for future episodes, you can follow my content. So thanks again for watching. See you in the upcoming episodes.